Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, firmware up to date, router and proxy details in hand. Once done, make sure the Ps4 is on the same LAN as the proxy. That avoids routing conflicts. Now go to Settings and select Network so you can change connection settings. You're not just entering numbers, you're telling the console how to reach the proxy, which is why accurate IP and port matter. Start the setup flow now so you can test quickly. You'll follow the custom connection path. Choose Wi-Fi or LAN, then custom to control IP and proxy. If you need a static IP, enter it now so port forwarding stays consistent, otherwise keep automatic. Leave DNS and MTU on automatic unless troubleshooting. When you reach proxy server, switch from do not use to use and enter the proxy IP and port. This step instructs the Ps4 to route traffic through that server, which can resolve filtering or access issues. You finish by testing the internet connection. Watch for errors and latency so you can target fixes. If the test fails, switch proxy server back to do not use to confirm the issue is proxy related, then verify proxy IP, port, and any credentials. Make sure both Ps4 and router are restarted to clear caches. If problems persist, try a different proxy or configure port forwarding on your router as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.